Hello everyone. In this video series, we'll dive deep into Chapter 6 of our study guide, Managing Prompts and Conversations within Microsoft 365 Copilot. This chapter is absolutely critical for anyone looking to move beyond basic AI usage and become a true AI business professional. We'll explore how to transform Copilot from a simple interactive tool into a powerful workflow engine by effectively saving, scheduling, and sharing your prompts. Furthermore, we'll uncover strategies for organizing your Copilot conversations, ensuring that valuable insights aren't lost in a sea of generic chat histories. Mastering these management techniques will not only boost your individual productivity, but also enable your entire team to leverage generative AI consistently and efficiently. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Copilot and streamline your daily operations. Let's kick things off with a relatable scenario. Imagine you're Sarah, a senior project manager at Contoso, tasked with overseeing a complex software deployment. Every Friday, Sarah faces the daunting challenge of compiling her weekly status report. This isn't a quick task. It involves hours of sifting through countless Teams channels, meticulously synthesizing lengthy email threads, and reviewing scattered Excel spreadsheets to construct a cohesive summary for the executive board. This manual, repetitive process is not only time-consuming, but also incredibly draining, especially at the end of a busy week. Sarah's energy levels plummet, and she often finds herself spending her Friday afternoons buried in administrative work, rather than focusing on strategic planning or enjoying a well-deserved break. This scenario perfectly highlights a common pain point in many organizations: essential, recurring tasks that consume valuable time and resources due to inefficient manual processes. Recognizing the sheer inefficiency of her weekly reporting, Sarah turns to Microsoft 365 Copilot, seeking to automate this significant, repetitive burden. She meticulously crafts a highly detailed prompt, instructing Copilot to analyze all communications from the past week. Her prompt specifically asks for a summary of the project's health, an analysis of budget variance, and an identification of key blockers, drawing information from various internal sources. The initial result is nothing short of excellent. Copilot delivers a comprehensive, well-structured report, saving Sarah hours of manual compilation. However, Sarah quickly realizes a new challenge. Rewriting this complex, perfectly structured prompt every single Friday morning would largely defeat the core purpose of automation. While Copilot provided an immediate solution, the process of repeatedly engineering the same detailed prompt still presented a significant hurdle to maximizing her long-term productivity and efficiency. To truly maximize her productivity and fully embrace automation, Sarah understands she needs a more robust solution than simply rewriting prompts each week. She needs a method to securely store this master prompt, enabling her to execute it with a single click whenever necessary. This realization shifts her focus from merely using Copilot to actively managing her interactions with it. The idea of re-engineering such a complex query repeatedly feels like a step backward, even if the AI's output is valuable. The true power of AI-driven automation lies not just in the AI's capability to generate content, but in the user's ability to streamline the entire interaction process, making it repeatable, scalable, and effortlessly accessible. This highlights the fundamental shift from one-off interactions to a strategic approach to prompt utilization. Sarah also recognizes that her challenge isn't isolated. Her team includes 5 other project managers who are undoubtedly wasting valuable time performing the exact same manual reporting for their respective projects. This insight reveals a massive opportunity. If Sarah could standardize her highly effective Copilot prompt and share it across the entire department, the collective time saved would be immense, translating into significant business value. This scenario powerfully underscores the critical business imperative of moving beyond simply writing prompts to actively managing them. This encompasses saving successful prompts for future use, scheduling them for automated execution, and sharing them to standardize workflows. Let's examine the exact structure of the reusable prompt Sarah designed to standardize her weekly workflow. This template is a prime example of effective prompt engineering, clearly defining the AI's role and expectations. It begins with the goal, instructing Copilot to act as a senior project manager and generate a weekly status report for the executive board. Next, the context clarifies the audience's needs. The audience requires high-level summaries focusing on project health, budget, and risks. Maintain a formal, concise tone. This sets the stage for the AI's persona and output style. The source specifies where the AI should retrieve information from. Synthesize the updates from the project name, updates channel, and the current week budget tracker.xlsx file. Finally, the format dictates the report structure. Structure the report with the following bold headings: executive summary, key accomplishments, budget variance, and active blockers. What makes Sarah's structured prompt particularly effective and reusable is its explicit use of variables. Notice placeholders like project name and current week. By saving this template, a user doesn't need to rewrite the entire instructional framework week after week. Instead, they simply need to swap out these specific variables with the relevant project name and current week's data. This ingenious approach drastically reduces the effort required to generate consistent reports. It ensures that, regardless of who runs the prompt or for which project, the underlying structure, tone, and level of detail in the AI's output remain uniform across the team. This not only guarantees high-quality AI outputs, but also significantly contributes to standardization, making the entire reporting process more reliable and less prone to human error. This simple yet powerful technique is key to scaling individual prompt engineering success across an organization.